Hello students. So today we will learn about some of the clauses like and, or, not, where, in, order by, between, like. So these we will use with SQL queries. In the previous class we have done how you create a table. Now we will use these clauses with these queries. So this is a table, just a temporary table I have taken. This is a relation. So as you know, we call table as a relation too. So relation name is class. So there are the columns name, role, registration number, date of birth, total and grade. So how you extract the information? As I told you, RDBMS, the job is to extract the information and we can easily handle it. When we need it, we can extract it, we can update it, we can get the report also. So there are many clauses to use with the SQL commands. So update, how you update? Suppose that this is the name of the Johnson. I want to change it to any other name, or any spelling mistake is there, I want to make it a correction in the name. So first command we'll use here is update command. So how will you use update command? Syntax of update is update, then the table name. Table name is what? Class. So update class, then set. Which column? Name or roll number. Suppose roll number is there. So update column, update class, set roll. This is the name of the column, roll. So this is the name of the column, and after equal to we'll put the new value. So this 12 I want to make it 18. By mistake I have written 12, I want to change it to 18. So update class set roll is equal to 18. Now 18 is which row? So we have to give a reference to a particular row or particular column. Any reference we have to take. So here I am taking a reference is Johnson. So we will write here where name, what is name is equal to Johnson. It means in the column name, whosoever name is Johnson, that column, that particular row have a column roll. That roll it will be 18 automatically. Whatever it is earlier it is 12. So Johnson. So we have to make sure the spelling should be same as it is written here. Johnsson. Okay. Then semicolon. Enter. So syntax is update, then the table name, whatever is the table, then set, then the column name, then the new value, whatever the value you want to set. Then where, you have to use a where clause here. Name is equal to Johnson. Johnson is a string here, so name is a column. So in the Johnson name, roll number column will be now 18 in place of 12. So in the same way we can edit any column, but we have to give the reference. Otherwise what will happen if I won't give this where clause? So what will happen if roll number 18 are no where clause is there? So what will happen? All the column will be 18. So here only one column. So this works as a filter. We are giving a filter, means a condition. So that this fulfills the condition. Name is equal to Johnson. First if you search the record, name is equal to Johnson. Then it will go for the column roll number. So it will put 18 here. This is the new value. This is the new value that we want to change, and this we are giving as a reference. Clear? So in that way we can update, we can change any particular value of a table. Now and, how will you use and? Suppose to display a record, I want to give a multiple condition. Let us first start with where. Suppose I want to display, select a string from, table name is what? Class. Where any clause condition we have to give. Where is used to give a filter while displaying a record. So select statement is there. If I won't give this one, so it will display all the records. I want to extract a particular conditional record that fulfill our requirements. So here we can give here, suppose where total greater than 400. Suppose where total column is start greater than 400. So only the record which fulfill this condition, means the record which have in the total column is greater than 400, only that record will be displayed. So this works like a kind of filter. It filters the record, only those whose value is more than 400, that record will be displayed here. So this is for single condition. But if I were to give a more conditions, means together, two conditions together, then we'll use AND. So you can write here, select asterisk from class where total is greater than 400, okay, and we can write here roll number also on any other column, and total greater than 10. So here I am using AND. It means those record which fulfills both the condition. Means if a student have total more than 400 and it will be not total, it will be roll number. So if a student got more than 400 in the total column and whose roll number is more than 10, means both the criteria should be fulfilled on the same record. On a particular record, if a particular these two conditions are fulfilled, then only your record will be displayed. So before and after and, if both the conditions are true, so that record will be displayed here. But in place of, if I remove this, if I put here OR, then what will happen? If any one of the condition is fulfilled, that record will be displayed. If any one condition, if a student have more than 400 in total column and roll number is not greater than 10, so that record will be displayed. Or if both the conditions are fulfilled, so in the case of or any one, if any one of the condition is fulfilled, that record will be displayed. But in AND it is mandatory, it is compulsory that both the conditions should be fulfilled on the same record, same tuple. Next is NOT. NOT is just the reverse. If I put here, if I write here where total is less than 400, this way we can check the student whose total is less than 400, that record will be displayed. But if it is greater than 400 and if I write here NOT, same thing will happen. Not total greater than 400 means that it works like a less than, means that negation, just the reverse of this. Not works like that. Not total greater than 400 means in which the conditions this total is not fulfilled, it means greater than 400, that will be displayed. Just if I remove this not and put a less than here, same, or if I want to put if this greater than and I put not, both will be same. Next is your in. I want to display particular record using in. Select asterisk from class where roll is the column in. Particular roll I want to display 10 and 11. So in works here only with the roll number column, those have 10 or 11, that record will be displayed. Where roll in 10, 11, that way we can put more values here using comma and comma. Here I have taken only two values. So in works like this. Next is order by. I want to display the records as per the order, either in ascending order or descending order. For that we will use order by. So what we will write here, select asterisk from class order by, order space by, order space by. Then we will put the column name. In the column in which we want to sort. As per that column, the records will be sorted, means arranged. Order by name. Order by name. So it will display all the records, but as per the name record in alphabetical order. So A will come first, Alex, B, then C, like that, like alphabets A, B, C, D, yeah. So this sorting actually computer is doing with the help of that ASCII value. As you know, the capital A ASCII value is what? 65. Likewise B 66. So in that way A comes first, then B. In the same way small a starts with 97. So all the capital alphabets will come first because I am sorting with the name column. Then the small alphabets will come. The name starting with small alphabet because the ASCII value, because it sorts on name. So name actually they have the ASCII value, all the characters. So A, Alex will be there. All the capital alphabet name will be first because this will follow this order. 65 is capital A, B 66, like that. So we can put here name column, any other column we can put here, like date of birth, total grade, whatever it is. By default it will sort, it will display the records in ascending order. We can write here ASC, but this is not mandatory, this is optional. Either you write ASC for ascending or you don't write, that doesn't matter. But if I want to display it in descending order, so we have to write here DSC. So it will display your records in descending order. Okay, in descending order means Z will come first. Here, if I want sort on the particular numeric values, so the lowest will come in the beginning, like that. Next is your between clause. So between clause works like a range. So we can change this one. Select asterisk from class where roll between 10 and 20. So this works 10 and 20. We both put 10 and 20 are included here. So here it will display all the record whose roll number lies between 10 and 20. So between, we can use between. This works on a particular range. Next is like clause. If I want to display all the names that starts with A, so what shall I do? What is the query for that? Select asterisk from class where name like, then inverted quotes A%. See this one, this is very important. A% means the name starting, name column starting with A, alphabet A, starting with A, starting will be A. But if I write here %A, so it will be ending with A, single quotes %A, it means ending with A. A% means name starting with A and %A means name ending with A. So there are some wildcards also. Now if I want to put, I know that the third character is A, third character is E, third place is E. In the name column, third place contains E. So how will you write it in that way? You can write it select asterisk from class where name like, put 2 underscore, single quotes 2 underscore, then A, like this %. So this will be, third will be A definitely, first will be anything, third will be A. So these are the 3 wildcard, %, your underscore. So all these clauses we can use in SQL command. So in the next class we will deal with some functions and we will use alter command. How will you modify the structure of the table? Okay, thank you.